Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 2 stocks to kick off the week. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel for those of you who dropped those stocks of interest in the comment section of our last video. Now, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these videos, right? So let's begin right off the bat. The SPY right now it was open yesterday and now it's still open and now it looks good. It looks really good. I like how it's turning around. Yesterday it was a little bit shaky. It started out green when I started recording that video, and then it got red, and then it got green again, and now it wants to actually go where I want it to go. It's opening at 4,500, which is good. All right, I think that it's going to keep pushing higher towards 45.60 before chilling over here. I don't think today will be a disaster of the day where we see something like this, like that right here. It pushes high and then it just dumps. I don't think we're gonna see something like that. I doubt it. So watch the SPY for a move up to here. Okay. Now, for the first stock that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today, that stock is XPEV. All right, XPEV. Now, this one is a Chinese EV company, and I definitely think that this is the short-term bottom for sure. I showed y'all this bear flag over here, which kept dropping and dropping and dropping, right? It just kept dropping, and now it's looking like it wants to actually make a turnaround. I definitely think that it may move all the way up to like $39. And the reason why I believe so and why y'all should keep it on your watch list is because of the 1 hour. If you look at the 1 hour and you zoom in, there is this bullish thing right here. It's not it is good. It looks good. It looks decent. It looks decent. And it could behave. If it does behave, we should see this thing just run out the gates. Like immediately out the gates. So yeah, this is the bullish pen that's on the chart. It looks good. It looks good. Unless it starts to like if out the gates it just starts rolling over and just there's no volume and it starts fading all the way down to 36, then the play is obviously done. But if it doesn't do that, it does have the potential to move all the way up towards $40. All right, so that's the first play that y'all should be keeping on your watch list for today. Now the next one that all of you should be keeping in your watch list, that one is Tesla. All right, now with Tesla, I told all of you, I think it was on Friday's video, to watch this thing for a long, right? I explained to you why y'all should not be scared, especially after this afternoon sell-off. It sold all the way off to like 921, above 920, and now it's opening up at 930. All right. I do think that it's going to climb. I thought it would open up a little bit higher towards 940. But this is fine. I think it's going to open up and go all the way up towards 900 and like towards 960, maybe 970 today. Again, depending on how the overall market wants to do. It usually outperforms the Nasdaq. Tesla outperforms the Nasdaq. When the Nasdaq is having a good day, Tesla has a wonderful day. So definitely keep Tesla in mind. Okay, where is it going to go? I explained this one to y'all that we may see a move all the way up towards like eventually towards 1000. Eventually. All right, so that's my honest thoughts on this stock. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The first one that we're going to address is a stock on a tremendous discount, and that one is Facebook. All right, now with Facebook is kind of struggling right now. It had a massive fall to fill that gap right below, right here, right? And now that it's filled, now that we got there, now that everything is settled, Well, not completely settled, but I think it's kind of settled. I think it is. We're gonna make a turnaround eventually. It's only a matter of when. I don't think it's going to get much lower than this. If you're looking for much lower than this, I good luck to you. I hope that it actually gets low and gives you the discount that you would like, right? If this is not good enough for you, but I think that it's just going to chill here within these two lines, and then when it starts getting out, that's when the party will start. Like when it starts to get out of this zone, that's when the money will be made, and potentially, I think it's going to be made to the upside. I'm not bearish out here. Like I'm not bearish on this one after a I think it was a over 200 billion drop. I think it's going to climb. It's just a matter of when. All right. Now, another one that we're going to talk about in today's video, we're going to address VALE. Somebody asked for an update on VAL, and VAL right now is looking good. Um, I mentioned this one previously, way back here, because of the inverse head and shoulders. It got to where I wanted it to go, and y'all were able to make some money on that one. So congrats to y'all. And now it's looking like it wants to go a little bit higher. It looks clean. It broke out not too long ago, and then it just kept going, consolidating, and now it wants to go higher. I explained to y'all a while ago where it could go. I did. I think it was like, yeah, these highs right here. Like near 20 would not surprise me. $18 is like is I think it's going to happen soon. But near 20, especially through earnings, again, holding through earnings is 150% gambling. All right, it's not what I'm advocating or advising here. This is not financial advice, but you do what you want to do with your money. All right, I think that it has more room to run. I'm not bearish on Val or Valley. Yeah. So now the next one that we're going to talk about in today's video is a stock that actually has earnings today. Shag, I think it's today. I believe it's today. What is that? The 7th? Yeah, it is today. It is today. So Shag is going to be interesting, guys. This is going to be a fun one, especially for you who like to gamble through earnings. I'm going to let y'all know right now. I think that it's going to make a massive move. I think this one is one to watch. Is going to make a massive move in either direction. There is some money here. There's money to be made, people. There's money to be made. I like the sell-off. I like the consolidation. And I like the anticipation to earnings. Something is going to happen. There is a gap at like 50, in the 50s, right? And then there is also, let me see here. Is there something at the bottom that I should be worried about? Not really. Not really, people. Not really. I'm leaning a little bit bullish. Obviously, I am leaning bullish, but you can never be too biased towards one side if you're gonna hold through earnings. So a strangle slash straddle would be a smart idea. Again, there's always a chance that the stock doesn't move and then both sides lose. There's always that chance, but hey, I'm just giving y'all some tips, some hints with Shag. All right, and that is pretty much the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released 10 minutes before the market open from Monday to Friday, and a post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at NGumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get set up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 for after signing up with Webull. using the third link in the description of the video below. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? My name is NGumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in this afternoon's video.